So my name's Rihanna with Colton RV, and here we have the 2026 inTech sold Dusk Rover. So this travel trailer is made by inTech RV. They are very interesting. They are a fabricator for RVs, so they build pretty much everything on this. They put it on an aluminum welded cage. You can see the welds here. It's very detailed, very strong welding. When I say fabricator, they build everything down to this rack here on the front. They build their own stairs, they build their own wheel wells. So very interesting what they do. I love that they do not have your battery on your hitch here. So your hitch could be used for anything. You could put some racks here, you could store things there. Your propane tanks are going to be in this, and your battery is going to be inside. So your battery is going to be protected and out of the elements, not going to be getting wet every time it rains. So those are a couple great things. You have obviously the panoramic window here as well. So no matter where you go, you're going to have a great view. You do have a cover for this for when you travel that just snaps on. And you do have a shade inside to pull down to make it black out. Like we said, batteries inside, so this is just your battery exhaust here. You have a little plug-in for solar panels if you'd like to just do a portable one. And there is storage for your sewer hose as well. So over on this side, you do have the Thule powered awning. So that's going to be an armless awning. That's nice because you're not going to walk into it. The Rover package gives you the off-road tires, so a little more clearance, a thicker tire, and it has the special decals. You have a huge storage compartment here, so it does come with a griddle, an outdoor kitchen, so that's, you know, what's in the accessories, but the big thing here is just the flooring. So you have a vinyl woven floor, similar to what you'd find in a boat. So it's going to be water resistant, stain resistant, and easy to clean. And then here's the outdoor kitchen. So you have the Dometic cooler, so it's an electric cooler. So you don't have, you know, like your traditional cooler, things floating in ice. There is an outlet in here that it's plugged into. And this is that griddle cooktop. There's a little storage in here. It actually goes really far back, so lots of space. Not just easily slides. And on the back, a few more rails here if you wanted to put some accessories back there. Overall, they just look pretty cool. It is prepped for a backup camera, so that's something we could add at the dealership. Okay, so this is the front of the camper here. So like we said, we have our blackout shade in that front window. You'll have those blackout solar shades pretty much all throughout. You've got a couple reading lights here. So 2 different tones there, blue. A couple speakers here. Notice the hinges on the cabinetry. Nice and strong. They also have magnets to keep them shut so they're not going to open when you travel. You've got extra cushions up here, and you have another table pole that's going to be a little bit shorter, so this is going to convert to a bed. So you'll switch the poles, put that table down and put the cushion down, and then you'll have a sleeping area and still have all the padding on the sides as well. So battery, like we talked about earlier, is stored inside. It's going to be in this area here. And then you have a disconnect to turn it off and on. Next to it's your fuse panel, a couple outlets, USB ports. This was ordered with line heaters. That's an option from the factory that we opted for. You have tank heaters as well. So this is going to be definitely good for some colder weather. You'll be protected. Tankless water heater, and then your sound system. So that'll be Bluetooth radio. We got your fridge here. And a standard microwave. You have your 2-burner cooktop. They do a nice big sink in this one with the drying rack, sprayer. It's a good size. I also like the quality of the tile on the walls. Again, lots of storage, strong cabinets. They have lots of accent lights all throughout. I think they're all on, so we have lots of blue all underneath your cabinets. So it's a nice little touch. It comes with the Max Air fan. It does have a rain sensor on it, so that'll close itself if it starts raining. I like the inTechs always come with a little clock. Just a little touch. So the inTech has a wet bathroom. So this is going to be all-in-one fiberglass wet bathroom. There's going to be no open seams in this like your standard showers. In travel trailers, you'll have a plastic wall with a, standard wall behind it. So this is all going to be sealed in every corner, every edge of it. Nowhere for water to leak and seep through. So this layout is 2 twin beds that convert to a king bed. So this all makes into one bed. I really like that the opposite side of this material is a mattress. So when you flip all of this over, you'll have a nice comfy mattress. You're not sleeping on that material. But during the day, it's kind of like having 2 couches. So it's a good mix. You've got a nice little wardrobe back here with bar for hanging. You do have a furnace, air conditioner, so the thermostat is over here for that. And next to that, you have your control for the fan, the Max Air. Good windows. You've got a larger window on this side. That's the emergency exit, so that'll push open. You can get good airflow there. And then this one will move up and down, so you can get a good cross breeze in here. You've got a couple more of those reading lights, so those are nice soft touch lights. Again, lots of storage and cabinetry. And the finish on these is a nice glossy European finish, easy to clean. So if you're looking for a high quality, lightweight travel trailer, this definitely meets the mold for that. SUV towable, truck, or small truck towable. The inTech is a great option. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. My name's Rihanna Tyrell, and my phone number is 716-694-0188, extension 413.